Good morning. It's Friday morning, February the 20th, 2026. Here we are, Fullerton, California. This is the damage after the storm. As you can see, some branches just got broken off the tree. Now on this side, you can see the tree just broke off completely. And as you look around, you can see more branches falling off. And so this is Gilbert Park in Fullerton. This is a little bit of the damage. So a little bit more damage here on the walking path. The branches got broken right off the tree due to the wind and the stormy night. More branches are broken off. More branches on the ground. Now keep in mind, this was not done by human hands. The wind knocked these off the trees. A little bit more. Now as you can see all around the park, there's some damage. But what really caught my attention was this one. This big tree got pulled up right out of the soil, roots and all. Now this is amazing. Look at this. This is crazy. The roots came right out, so the tree just flipped over. Now what's more amazing is that instead of the tree falling into the neighborhood or the houses, which is right next to it, to the opposite side, and there is some houses property there. Also, the power lines, right? Power lines are right there. So what are the chances, right? God is great. Imagine being smashed in your sleep by a falling tree. Yep, this happened during a windy night a couple nights ago, and Public Works have not cleaned it up yet, so it looks like they're going to be busy. Yes, sir. Amen.